Now that we know what angles of elevation and depression are, कुछ question solve करके देखते हैं. So the first example says a string of a flying kite is 200 meters long and its angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Find the height of the kite above the ground taking the string to be fully stretched. तो सबसे पहले तो हम इसको visualize करने की कोशिश करते हैं. हमारे पास animations की option तो है लेकिन it's just as easy to draw the diagram, right? So draw it. अगर हम observer की position को O label करें और kite को B और kite से downward perpendicular point को A, तो we get a right angle triangle AOB. Now we can label the information that we've been given. हमें height AB find करनी है, so let's call that X. In relation to the given angle, this is the opposite side. तो हमारे पास opposite side है और hypotenuse है. तो हम कौन सा ratio use कर सकते हैं? That's right, sine. So sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 60 will be x over 200, which is root 3 over 2. So then we move stuff around and we get 173.2. यानी kite की height 173.2 meters है. So let's see one more example. This example says that a surveyor stands at the top of a 240-meter high hill by the side of the lake. He observes two boats at an angle of depression, measures 17 degrees and 10 degrees. If the boats are in the same straight line with the foot of the hill just below the observer, find the distance between the two boats if they are on the same side of the hill. Again, हम सबसे पहले इसको visualize करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Surveyor की position को हम T का नाम देते हैं. T से अगर हम ground तक perpendicular line drop करें, तो जो point आएगा, let's call that M. So let's call one boat A and the other B. T से B तक का जो angle of depression है, वो है 10 degrees. Interesting point to note here is that B से T तक का angle of elevation भी same होगा. We can see this because these two lines are parallel and these two angles are alternate angles. Similarly, T से A तक का angle of depression is 17 degrees and we know कि ये वाला angle भी same होगा because alternate angles on a parallel line. हमें दोनों boats के दरमियान distance find out करना है, यानी इन दोनों distances का difference. So let's call these y and x. तो हमें y minus x find करना है.